Here is an exercise for you to practice break and continue statements. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. Here is one way to solve the exercise. Let's declare an array with numbers from 1 to 10. So let numbers is an array of numbers from 1 to 10. Let's use for of loop this time. For let number of numbers, if number is divisible by 3, continue. So skip numbers divisible by 3, and if number is greater than 7, break. So stop the loop when number is greater than 7. And otherwise, console log number. And the output is 1, 2, 4, 5, 7.